Some things need protecting. This thing did. You can be in the video, Dad. You ready? Uh-oh. Skiddy-o. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road in this beautiful battleship gray color. It's a beautiful truck. We love it more and more every single day. In the last video, you did see us put together that super hot rod MiG 135. We welded on this cab corner. Today, what we're gonna do, what we gotta do, what we need to do. We're gonna have to fill in with a little bit of body filler, some of this stuff, this cab corner, get it all ready, smooth to get some primer put on. We did get that call that we've been waiting for. Hudlow gave us a call. They got our axle, they got our drive shaft. We got it here. What we're gonna do this evening, what we gotta do, we gotta get the axle put back. We got a lot going. We're gonna sand down that door out there on that stand. We're gonna get it all sanded down. We're gonna mix some primer up and we're gonna primer the doors. If we can get it done, we're gonna get the door sanded. We're gonna get the Bondo put on the cab corner. We're gonna get the primer put on the door. We're gonna get the rear end and the drive shaft back. And if we get all that done before the sun sets so low, it will be an amazing day. So if we're gonna get it done, let's stop talking and let's start working. My goodness, guys, check that out. Check the door out. We just emptied out the primer gun on this door. We got maybe 3-ish, 4-ish coats on there because it really needed it. That rock guard didn't line up, so I had to sand all that stuff off. So I got it pretty heavy at the rock guard line. So we got it all taped up really good, and the wind is blowing really hard. So we're gonna jump back in here on the truck. Like I said, we got the axle. We need to get that thing put in there. That's our top priority right now. So let's jump on putting that axle back in and see if we remember how to hook the drum brakes back up. Alrighty guys, check this beautiful truck out. We just jumped on it. We got a lot of stuff done in this video. We got our cab corner all slicked down. Man, that's looking really good. Only thing that's left for that's a little bit of primer. We got our door all primered up with about 3.75 coats of primer till we run out. Man, this door's looking really, really, really good. We went down to Hudlow's. We picked up that axle, and that thing is straight as an arrow. Man, it lines up so perfect. Everything is lining up perfect. Our springs are perfect. Our axle is perfect. The only thing we really got left to do, the drive shaft is back in. Everything for this rear end is back in. The only two things we got to do, we got to bleed out the brakes, and we got to put the dope in the rear end. And I don't have either one of those things right now. But I tell you what, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. If you like this video, if you like this content, go ahead and drop us a like. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.